Hey all, it's Mr. Harris, going to show you how to use Adobe Capture to make really cool patterns like this. What's great about this app is that it's completely free and it's from Adobe, and what you'll do is you'll click on the app and you will continue, sign in however you want. I'm going to continue with Google. You can make a proper account with your Google, or you can just create a fake one. It doesn't actually verify your account. You'll come to a home page like this, and I'm going to go on the bottom left, I'm going to create with camera. On the right hand side panel you can see colours, looks, brushes. These are different modes that you can use to create using this, and on the left hand side you can see that we're on patterns, so it's giving us a load of options. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a photo of this table tennis ball and bat, and you can see that as I move it, it's creating a pattern with it. So I'm going to take a photo, and what it's going to give me is the option to rotate in order to change how the pattern works. I'm going to save that. If I go back into camera, and on the left hand side you can see there's all these different options, these different grids you can create your pattern with. And if I raise my camera again, change that. Wow, Star of David, that's really cool. Save. If I click back into this, you can export this one of two ways. In the top right corner, or just zoom out and screen capture it. Another thing I want to show you on this pattern formation, if you go into your camera, if you press the screen, it will actually pause. It will freeze the image. And in the left hand top corner, you can see it's got all these different color edit you can make on it. So if I put it back to true color, and then on the bottom left, we've got all these different edits I can do. So I can do a contrast image of it, increase or decrease that. And what we're doing is we're creating really interesting patterns, which are almost detached and abstracted from the original. I think that looks great, so I'm going to accept that and save the image. Now you can download Adobe Capture on your phone, you can use it on an iPad, and once you've got internet access, these photos will sync to your account. I think Adobe gives you like a gigabyte or something free. If I go back onto Create with Camera, see as well on my options, if I freeze that, got looks, and what this does here, you can see it's photographing my leg, is it picks out all the different colours for us. Likewise here, what this will do is it'll create a black and white image for you. And again, there's a materials option. If I wanted to get the material of the table tennis table, take a picture like that. And this is really good in our coursework if we're looking at operating or using different materials. All the best with it. Let me know if you need any help, and I look forward to seeing what you produce.